Hi guys, in this video I'll show you guys my curly hair routine. So this is what my curly hair looks like after the products I use. So make sure you guys stay tuned and I hope you guys enjoy the video. I'm going in with Meow Rosemary Mint Straightening Shampoo. I really love the smell of this. It smells so good. And what I really love about this shampoo, you guys, it also comes with biotin, so it definitely will help with my hair growth. And also, it's a really nice deep cleanse I get from using this shampoo. Next, I'm going in with Meow Hair Mask. I haven't been using this, you guys. I just started recently using this and I've been loving it considering that I have a lot of breakage. So I'm going to start incorporating this like every 2 weeks. So again, so that I have less breakage and that it really helps with my hair growth as well. Right after this, I'm going to go in and use my wide tooth comb so that I can spread the product in evenly throughout my hair and also to help out remove any breakage to my hair. And then going in with a hair clip, I'm going to put this up and leave the product in my hair for about 20 minutes. Once I finish my shower routine, I'm going to rinse out my hair mask and then go in with Meow hair conditioner and put this all over my hair. And then I'm just going to leave the hair conditioner in my hair for about 10 minutes. Once I'm all set with my hair in the shower, I section my hair into small sections. That way it's easier for me to put the products in my hair little by little so that it does what it needs to do for my curls. The first thing I'm going to go in is Camille Rose Curl Love Milk Moisture. This is the first product I'm going in with and it helps to just keep my hair soft and maintain its moisture. This step is a very crucial step. I'm going to go in with Camille Rose Curl Maker. Now on top of the milk moisture, I add this onto it, the curl maker, and this is what helps my curls pop even more. And what you will see throughout the video, I'm pretty much doing exactly what I did in the beginning. So I pretty much section little by little. I put the milk moisture in first and then I add the curl maker afterwards. And I do want to add that the product doesn't leave my curls crunchy or greasy. It just keeps it really super soft, and the definition, it just helps define my curls even more. Again, this part that you guys are watching, I'm not really doing anything special. I'm just repeating the steps that I'm doing all over my hair. And what I really do, you guys, is I let my hair air dry. And once my hair is air dried for the most part, I then go in with Camille Rose hair oil. So that way I can keep my hair moisturized in the scalp along with my hair growth journey. That pretty much sums up my curly hair routine. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And I hope to see you guys all in my next video. Bye guys.